Welcome to 140 Atherton Avenue, a beautifully maintained 4-bedroom semi-detached brick home with 3 washrooms situated within the family-minded Meadow Ridge neighbourhood of Northwest Ajax. Landscaped front to back, the stone walkway to the arched front portico continues along the south side of the home and into the backyard. And beyond the inviting front entrance is an open-theme main level showcasing a neutral decor, updated LED pot lighting, and an abundance of natural lighting for a fresh, airy aura throughout. Enhancing the openness of the principal rooms are wall cutouts in the dining and kitchen areas. An accent pot light illuminates a display niche in the main hallway. The sunken foyer has a mirrored door coat closet and access to the attached single-car garage. And also off the main hall is a powder room, its vanity updated with a quartz counter, as well as a bonus room that is ideal for household storage. Half walls with decor columns grace the entry into the dining room. This beautiful entertaining space showcasing south-facing windows, new hardwood flooring, and an octagonal-shaped coffered ceiling with an elegant medallion. The spacious living room showcases new hardwood flooring as well and enjoys the added warmth of a gas fireplace surrounded by an elegant mantel and 3 west-facing windows. 2 entries and a wall cutout almost fully open the living room to the kitchen area, with this incredibly functional meal prep space showcasing ceramic backsplashes, exceptional cabinetry storage that includes a pantry, a servery-style counter separate from the main work area that has a stainless steel undermount sink and a built-in dishwasher, the kitchen also having a stainless steel French door fridge, microwave, and an oven with gas cooktop, as well as ceramic flooring and being updated with quartz counters. The sliding door walkout in the breakfast area opens to the relatively low-maintenance west-facing backyard, which has a huge stone patio area offering ample outdoor entertaining space, a storage shed, and a lawn area for a lovely touch of greenery. Ceramic flooring also finishes the main hallway, the sunken foyer, and the related spaces. And carrying to the upper level is a new dark-stained hardwood staircase with wrought iron pickets. This level showcasing new hardwood flooring throughout, upgraded light fixtures, 2 washrooms, and 3 existing bedrooms, with the hallway loft space, which has a double-sized closet, able to be converted into a 4th bedroom with the addition of a wall. A linen closet is found outside the entry into the main 4-piece washroom, which features a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, and a vanity updated with a quartz counter. And both the 2nd and 3rd bedrooms are spacious, have good-sized closets, and windows with east-facing exposures. The 2nd bedroom, as well as the loft space, also having south-facing windows. And in addition, the home's laundry area, which has a front-load washer and dryer, is located in the lower level, which, although unfinished, has great potential for future recreational and entertaining space. Enjoying the warmth and natural brightness of a west-facing exposure, the master suite is quite gracious in its size, has ample space for a sitting area, and features a large walk-in closet. While its 5-piece ensuite washroom showcases a water closet, a shower area with glass door, a vanity updated with a quartz counter, a soaker tub with a west-facing window above it, and ceramic finishes throughout. A short walk to public transit, as well as both Rosemary Brown and Vimy Ridge public schools, close to the Nottingham Market Shopping Plaza, and just steps to the neighborhood parkette. This home is minutes to the restaurants and boutique shops within historic Pickering Village and enjoys proximity to many of Ajax's exceptional amenities, such as indoor and outdoor sports and fitness facilities, recreational and community centers, the Durham Centre Shopping Mall, Lakeridge Health Ajax Pickering Hospital, the GO Station, as well as quick access to Highway 401, and Ajax's beautiful waterfront park with its over 7 kilometers of trails along Lake Ontario is also a short drive away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.